Box truck business owners. Are you thinking about starting your own company? If so, then forming an LLC, or limited liability company, may be the right choice for you. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how to start an LLC for a box truck business in the USA. We'll discuss the benefits of starting an LLC, how to choose a name and state for your LLC, how to hire a registered agent, how to file your articles of organization, how to create an LLC operating agreement, and how to obtain an EIN, or Employer Identification Number. Now, let me explain all the steps required to register your LLC for your box truck business. Step 1. Choose a state to register your LLC. You should incorporate your LLC in the states where you want to start your box truck business. In specific, business-friendly states like Delaware or Nevada can be a good place to start. You can register your LLC in these states easily even if you live in another country. Step 2. Choose a name for your LLC. When choosing a name for your LLC, it's important to follow the naming guidelines of the state where you plan to register your LLC. In general, the name of your LLC must be unique and distinguishable from the names of other business entities registered in the state. The name of your LLC should also include the words Limited Liability Company or the abbreviations LLC or L.L.C. to indicate the legal structure of your business. It's a good idea to check with your state's Secretary of State or Business Registration Office to see if your desired LLC name is available and to reserve it if necessary. Step 3. Hiring a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or business entity that is responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. This can include service of process notices, tax forms, and other important legal notices. The registered agent must have a physical street address in the state where your LLC is registered, and be available during normal business hours to receive and forward legal documents to you. You can choose to be your own registered agent, or you can hire a third-party registered agent service. It's important to carefully consider your options and choose the registered agent that best meets the needs of your business. Step 4. File your LLC's articles of organization. After you have chosen a name and state for your LLC, the next step is to file your LLC's articles of organization. This is a legal document that officially establishes your LLC and includes information about the members, registered agent, and purpose of the business. The articles of organization must be filed with the appropriate state agency, such as the Secretary of State or Business Registration Office. Each state has its own requirements for the content and format of the articles of organization, so it's important to check with your state for specific instructions. In general, the articles of organization should include the following information: the name of your LLC, the purpose of your LLC, the name and address of your registered agent, the names and addresses of the members, and any other additional information required by your state. Once your articles of organization are filed and accepted, your LLC is officially registered with the state and can begin doing business. Step 5. Create an LLC operating agreement. An LLC operating agreement is a document that outlines the rights and responsibilities of the members of the LLC, as well as the rules and regulations for managing and operating the business. While an operating agreement is not required by law, it is strongly recommended for all LLCs, as it provides a clear framework for the management and governance of the business. This can help to avoid conflicts and misunderstandings among the members and protect the legal status of the LLC. The operating agreement should include the following information: the names and addresses of the members, the ownership interests of the members, the roles and responsibilities of the members, the rules for meetings and decision-making, the procedures for adding and removing members, and the terms of the LLC's dissolution. It's important to consult with an attorney or other legal professional to help you draft a comprehensive and effective operating agreement for your LLC. Step 6. Select the proper insurance coverage. As an owner-operator, you will need to obtain business insurance for your new trucking company. The most effective way to secure the best premium is to contact several agents and consider the following options before you make a decision on a policy. The options are primary liability insurance, cargo insurance, physical damage insurance, and passenger accident insurance. Step 7. Stay in compliance. Owning and operating a business means staying up to date on time-sensitive filing requirements, ranging from IFTA's quarterly tax returns to multi-year renewals for CDLs. Failure to keep up with these requirements can result in loss of good standing or significant penalties. This includes staying compliant with your state's corporate reporting requirements. Failure to do so can cause the state to revoke your corporation or LLC's existence. Step 8. Obtain an EIN. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to identify businesses for tax purposes. Your LLC will need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. To obtain an EIN, you can apply online on the IRS website, by phone, or by mail. The application process is usually quick and easy, and you should receive your EIN within a few days. You may also be required to provide your EIN when opening a bank account or applying for municipal permits or licenses. Obtaining an EIN is a slightly longer process compared to their previous steps. I'm sure you know anything to do with the IRS is confusing. First, you must have complete knowledge of your LLC, such as your company information, managing member information, business address, business information, company details, and even critical information regarding vehicular assets and federal excise taxes. This is another reason why getting a professional registered agent is way more convenient, as they can do this for you as part of their service. Now, let's talk about the second option to form an LLC, and that is hiring a professional formation service. Professional formation services do all the steps you should be doing on your own, from filing necessary forms to acting as your registered agent. You usually have to allocate a specific budget for this option. As I already mentioned earlier, IncFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. IncFile is one of a kind, as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. IncFile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. IncFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the IncFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because IncFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag, with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email, which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. IncFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America, so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil, in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.